Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Clara. Clara was a kind-hearted, curious girl who always saw beauty in the world around her. However, she often felt a longing for something more, something extraordinary. One day, as Clara wandered through the village, she stumbled upon an old, mysterious book in a dusty, forgotten corner of the library. The book was bound in leather and adorned with intricate designs, and it seemed to radiate a captivating energy. Clara, intrigued, opened the book and began to read. The book spoke of a magical land where beauty reigned supreme. It told tales of enchanted forests, shimmering lakes, and fields of flowers that danced in the breeze. Clara's heart swelled with excitement and longing as she read. As she closed the book and returned it to the library, Clara felt a sudden shift within her. She realized that she had been searching for something external to find happiness, but the true beauty she sought was within herself. From that day forward, Clara began to see the world around her in a new light. She noticed the delicate petals of the flowers as she walked, the way the sun danced off the leaves, and the laughter of children playing in the park. She realized that beauty was not something grand and extraordinary, but something simple and everyday. Clara shared her newfound appreciation for beauty with her friends and family, and soon, the whole village began to see the world in a similar way. They began to notice the beauty in the mundane, and their lives became filled with joy and contentment. The village flourished, and Clara's story spread far and wide. People came from all over to see the magical land that Clara had discovered. But they soon realized that the true magic was not in the enchanted forests or shimmering lakes, but in the hearts of the people who lived there. Clara's story serves as a reminder that beauty is not something that can be found in grand spectacles or extraordinary events, but in the simple, everyday moments that make up our lives. It is a lesson for us all to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us and to find joy in the simple things. So, whenever you find yourself longing for something more, take a moment to look around. You might just find that the beauty you seek is closer than you think.